So y'all, my name is Chance Poole, and I will be showing you how to complete your program evaluation, which is one of the steps required for your online advisor. All right, first you're gonna log in on your web advisor. You're gonna go to web advisor and continue web advisor. Go to students. You're gonna log in. So I had already logged in. And then you're going to go to program evaluation, and if the box that it says if it's not your program of study, then you'll go down here and click on your program of study. Then on this box you want to go to in progress work included, and then you're going to click submit. But if you changed your program of study, this does not mean that you changed your program of study permanently. You got to go to student services and talk to them about changing your program of study if it's not right in the box right here. Alright, then you want to click on the 2019 catalog, click submit. And here's classes and transcript. And if you want to print, go and print it out. Now go to either, if you want to save it as a PDF file, then you need to click on save as PDF, save it, and then you can put a name for it. Put mine. Save it, and then from there you can submit it on Blackboard if your teacher is requiring you to submit on Blackboard, or you can print it out and turn it in.